So the first thing is adversarial examples. So what are the adversarial examples? So basically, adversarial examples are the input to a machine learning model that is designed to fool your network. Okay, they are like the optical illusions for the machine. So, but the thing is how we can fool a neural network. So suppose you have a very good network that is basically used for a classification purpose. For the that is used for classifying the animals and humans. Okay, so what you do, you take the human image and you add some kind of noise in it. Okay, and after adding the noise, you feed this image to your network, and your network is classifying it as an animal. So that is how we are fooling the network. They are just like the optical illusions for the machine. We will see some of the examples in the next slide. So even optical illusion exists for the human being also. In this current slide, if you focus on the center of these structures, you will find them moving. So that's the same case with the adversarial learning. So we have adversarial examples for our neural network as well, and we have a explanation for the same, why they exist. Okay. So in this slide, you can see uh, we have a image of cat that is classified as 92% cat. Okay, so we have a very good network that is classifying it as a 92% cat. Okay, so what we have done, we have added some kind of noise in it, in the image. So this is how our image looks like. Okay, wait a second. So this is how an image looks like after adding some kind of noise, and the same image is classified as iguana. Although for a human being, this is a cat, we can say that yes, it's a cat, but for our network, it is the network is classifying it as a iguana. So that is how an iguana looks like. Okay, so you can check the similarity between these two. Okay, so moving forward, we have another adversarial example. So in which a panda, which is our network classified it as a 57.7% confidence that it is a panda, and we added some kind of noise in it, and the same this is how it looks, and same panda is classified as given. Okay, here you can see. So the source for the same is this reference paper. Okay, so and this is another adversarial example, so in which a dog is classified as ostrich. So sometimes the modification in a real image can be very slight that even a human can't observe it. Like in this case, you can see, yes, we have added some kind of noise in this cat image, and it is like distorted one. Okay, here you can figure out by your human eyes, but here human being cannot say whether we have added some kind of noise in it. Okay, so so that's the thing, sometimes the modification can be very slight. Okay, that a human cannot observe it, and same is for the machine, and it is classifying it as a ostrich. So it is a plenty of applications, and it has a lot of malicious applications also. We will see